डॉक्टर हमना सुहेल है और मैं अल्तमश जनरल हॉस्पिटल में पिछले 3 सालों से काम कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम वन ऑफ देयर ICU शिफ्ट डॉक्टर्स। अल्तमश जनरल हॉस्पिटल की सर्विसेज हैव बीन स्टैंडिंग ऑन सर्टेन कोर वैल्यूज। The most important one being the patient-centric care, ensuring their safeguarding and patient safety. इस हवाले से अगर ICU के बारे में बात की जाए, so we have a 7-bed ICU that's fully functional and well equipped. We have cardiac monitors for 24-hour cardiac monitoring of every patient. उसके अलावा we have 7 fully functional ventilators that are present for any critically ill patients. Another thing that we have, more importantly, is that we have BiPAPs and we have CPAPs. Also, we have high flow nasal cannula, which is rarely present in other tertiary care hospitals. Another very important thing that Altumash ICU has is that we have sectioned and divided beds that avoids contamination from patient to patient and ensures that we can no infection is transferred from one patient to another. Core value that Altumash General Hospital has that focuses on teamwork. We have registered nurses, and a wide range of consultants ranging from general physicians to infectious disease doctors to pulmonologists that work along with our support staff and our junior doctors that work together in the ICU, ensuring that patient care is our utmost priority. Altumash has been growing and facilities have been growing in this hospital. Our patient input and our patient output has been very great. After being affiliated with this hospital for more than 3 years, I can assure you that we provide the best facilities that are present in Karachi. So even if I have to recommend this to somebody, I would surely do that. So for your OPDs or for any other patients, if you want to visit the hospital, I would recommend that you come and visit the hospital.